So right foot forward, and we're overhand, sweep back, step your right foot forward. We're gonna turn to the left, away from me, coming over the top, and you're back to overhand here. So yes, right foot is forward, low sweep, turn left, come out underhand. Now step your right foot forward, you're gonna turn away from me, come up over the top and toward your kitchen. And then step your right foot forward again, we'll do it again. Low sweep, turning toward me. Step your right foot forward, high sweep, turning away from me. And then one more time, low sweep, turning toward me. Step your right foot forward, sorry. Sweep up over the top and step your right foot forward again. And then face the front into chasing the sun clockwise. Then we're gonna bring it up into clockwise pinwheel. And then come down on the right into overhand weave. Turn left to underhand weave. Turn right to overhand weave. Turn left to underhand weave. Now from underhand weave, when your right hand is on top, do a big extension and then follow with your left hand to go back to overhand weave. So your overhand, you turn left to underhand. And then when your right hand is on top, do a big extension with both hands back to overhand. Turn left to underhand, extension, extension to overhand. Turn left to underhand, and then extension, extension to overhand. One more time, turn left to underhand, and then extension, extension to overhand. Turn left to pinwheel, pinwheel extension 3 times 1, and 2, and 3. Now we're gonna turn 360 degrees to the left, come back around in the pinwheel. Here, an overhand weave. Put your right foot forward. When your right hand is on top, pull your left hand back behind your head, come up into clockwise pinwheel. Okay, so from this clockwise pinwheel, come down to the right into overhand weave. When the right hand is on top, pull your left hand back behind your head into clockwise pinwheel again. 5, 6, 7, 8, turn right into overhand weave. 5, 6, 7, 8, turn left into clockwise pinwheel. 5, 6, 7, 8. We're gonna come down to the right into overhand weave. 5, 6, 7, 8. Turn left into clockwise pinwheel. 5, 6, 7, 8. Turn right into overhand weave. 5, 6, 7, 8. Turn left into clockwise pinwheel. 5, 6, 7, 8. Turn right into overhand weave. 5, 6, 7, 8. Turn left into clockwise pinwheel. 5, 6, 7, 8. Turn right into overhand weave. And then we're going to turn left again to that clockwise pinwheel. And then from here, let's see if you could do those extensions where you go left then right. Left big, then right big. Left big, then right big. Here's your left hand. You're in the regular size pinwheel. When it's on the back and you're coming to the front, reach across your body, then go back behind. Reach across, back behind. Reach across, back behind. Reach across, back behind. 5 more, 4 more, 3 more, 2 more, last one, and then back to small. Now let's do your right hand. So your right hand is here like this, in clockwise. Bring it up over your head like a normal regular size pinwheel, and then it does the same thing. It reaches to the right. You extend and drop back behind. Extend, drop back behind. Extend, drop back behind. Go big, drop behind. Go big, drop behind. Go big, drop behind. Big, drop behind. And 5 more, reach across. 4 more, and 3 more. Last 2, big reach all the way around, and last 1. And now back to regular size pinwheel. Now to put it together, the left arm goes big, then the right arm goes big, and then you're back to small. The left goes big, the right goes big, then you're back to small. Left big, back to small. Left, then right, then small. Nice and slow. Left, right, then small. Left, right, then small. Left, right, then small. Left, right, then small. I'm in the pinwheel. You're going like this, right hand, then left hand. You want to go left hand, then right hand. So your right hand is behind your head when the left one starts going big. Try doing the pinwheel in together time where you pull both hands up, back, front, back, front, back, front, back, front, back, front. And then you you can try both big, back behind, both big, back behind, both big, back behind, both big, back behind, both big, back behind. Now just go slower. Sync it up like this. Zoom, zoom, zoom. Together time, together time, together time. Then reach, back behind. Reach, back behind. Oh, do a bigger reach. You're shorting it. You're doing it like this, kind of wimpy. Do a big extension from big extension back behind. Big, all the way around. Yes! Size matters, baby. We're in this weave. We're gonna make this little combo. We're in this weave. Your right foot is forward. When your right poi is on top, turn left, bring the left hand back behind your head, come up into the clockwise pinwheel, and then make it together time. Now, once it's together time, nice and slow, you're nice and relaxed in the move, make it big. 1, and moving to the left, 2, moving to the left, 3. Now this time, bring it down, up, and down, and turn, and come back into the pinwheel. If we just did that part with the pinwheel, start with both poi here on the right, pull them up behind your head, in front of your head, behind your head, in front of your head, behind your head, in front of your head. Now you're gonna go big, moving left, big, moving left, third time big, moving left. Now on the fourth one, we're gonna spin all the way around 360 degrees, go back behind into the together time pinwheel, move yourself back to the right, and we'll practice it again. 5, 6, 7, 8, and big, moving left, big, moving left, third time big, moving left, then 360 turn, back behind your head, and move to the right, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and big, moving left, big, moving left, big, moving left. Now 360 turn to the left, up, over, around, and down, back behind your head, moving to the right one more time, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and big, moving left, big, moving to the left, big, moving to the left. Now 360 turn all the way around and come up, back behind your head, turn right, come back down into overhand weave. You're here, then your hands are going to be here, then your hands come down to the bottom, so you shouldn't be able to see my hands now. Now as your hands start coming up, you turn and you're going to turn away from me as your hands are going up and over the top, and then back down and around behind your head. So you reach to the right, you come down, start turning to the left, away from me, up over the top, around, and back behind. We'll do it one more time. We reach to the right, come down, turn away from me, up, over the top, around, and back behind. So if we try that with the poi, we do a reach all the way around, back behind. We do a reach all the way around, back behind. We do a reach all the way behind, back around and down. You're coming down, then up, and then you're doing a circle up there. So don't do that. You want to keep pushing through the circle on the top, and you're gonna go up and over and around. You have to turn your body faster. Spin the poi slower, turn your body faster. So when you're facing away from me, you've got to move your hands down to the left so that you can complete the pinwheel. I want to see you do this slower. Just that. Come around, all the way around to this side. Come around, up, around to this side. You come through, down, around, up, back to where you started. So it comes down and up and down.